안녕하세요 and welcome again everyone. So for today, we will break down the sentence I will meet a friend into bite-sized Korean. So to keep this sentence simple, we will only use the informal polite form. So in Korean, the grammar pattern will be I plus the topic marker particle plus friend plus the object marker particle, and finally, the future simple tense form of the verb will meet. So here is the complete sentence in Korean. 나는 친구를 만날 거예요. 나는 친구를 만날 거예요. Okay, so let us now break down our sentence. So, the first one is our topic noun I, which in Korean is pronounced as na, na. And the next one, we have here the topic noun I plus the topic marker particle nun. So, if we put them together, it is pronounced in Korean as 나는, 나는. Okay, and the next one, we have here our object noun, friend, which in Korean is pronounced as 친구, 친구. And then the next one, we have here our object noun, friend, plus our object marker particle 를. So if we will put them together, it is pronounced in Korean as 친구를, 친구를. And finally, we have here the future simple tense form of the verb will meet, which in Korean is 만날 거예요. 만날 거예요. Okay, so now let's put it all together, the sentence. So in Korean, it is 나는 친구를 만날 거예요. 나는 친구를 만날 거예요. And now, it's your turn. Thank you again for listening and we hope to see you again next time. 화이팅!